Our customer is in the cybersecurity industry. They have over 3,000 employees located in the great state of Minnesota. The customer was expanding through acquisition and through their own, client growth. They had a lot of technical debt that they were trying to retire. And really, what the customer was looking for was a single platform that was going to allow them to expand, to scale, save money, and ultimately get the performance out of what they were looking for from a technology perspective. The acquisitions within this customer came with kind of a new Nutanix platform, and the customer was looking at first to, kind of expand that Nutanix platform and roll it out across their whole enterprise. This is a 15-year relationship within the customer itself with Ryan Wasowski, who works for me and my team. The client has been a longstanding Insight customer. They've been a longstanding Dell client as well, really on the device side. Ryan worked extremely hard within the Dell and customer teams, and ultimately worked with the Dell and Insight architects to come up with a VxRail and PowerStore platform that was going to kind of be their platform of the future. Ryan and team and built a relationship that showed the long-term benefits to the customer, things like cost savings, strategy, kind of that single pane of glass, if you will, and then ultimately knocked out Nutanix between the Insight team and the Dell team, and bringing the solution together in what normally would take 8 to 10 months took 4 to 5 months. The client, benefits tremendously from this opportunity to consolidate. In terms of overall cost savings, is somewhere between $1.2 and $1.5 million over the next 3 years. And we believe that savings could be even greater than that. And then obviously with this new solution, this new platform, there's an opportunity that we saw and expanded in from an infrastructure perspective. We have done an amazing job in really kind of evangelizing our solution integrator story and bringing the customer together with the partner and with Insight to holistically solve for business outcomes on behalf of the client.